Unit 5, Lesson 6, Trig Identities, Part 3. So for this lesson, you are solving all of the following questions. Okay, so it's basically just a work period for you guys to work through some other identities, because it's so true that the more practice you have solving identities, the more comfortable you're going to get. Okay, you start to learn patterns, trends, tricks, okay? So as you're working through these questions, you can have that identity bank beside you, but I'm sure some of you are starting to memorize those identities no problem. You can also have that list of tricks, okay, so that if you get stuck on where to start a question, or if you get stuck halfway through a question, look at that list, see if there's something else you could try. Okay, and then just keep in mind, always start by solving that more complex side. So for example, in this first one, I would probably solve the left side first. Okay, another thing you want to always do is switch out those reciprocal identities. Okay, so there's all things to look for, and then remember those fancier tricks like factoring, okay, or multiplying by 1 creatively to get a common denominator. Those are all things that you can think about when solving these trig identities.